In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your trusted device on Wise. Whether you've upgraded your phone or are experiencing issues with your current device, this guide will help you set up your new device as the trusted one. First, open the Wise app on your current device and log in. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to access your account settings. Scroll down and select Privacy and Security. Then tap on Two-Step Login. Here, you'll see your current two-step verification method. To change your trusted device, tap on Remove this method. After removing it, you'll be prompted to set up a new two-step verification method. Choose the Wise app as your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Please note that if you've lost access to your old device and cannot receive verification codes, you may need to contact Wise customer support for assistance. They can guide you through the process of regaining access to your account. If this video helped you change your trusted device on Wise, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.